Good morning to all of you. I am Rajesh Kumar, science teacher of KLM International School, Pathankot. Our main chapter is sexual reproduction in flowering plant, class plus 2 biology. Okay, this is the second lecture. In the first lecture, we had a little discussion on what are the basic floral parts of the flower, male and female part of the flower. Now let's start. This is the second lecture. In this particular lecture, we will discuss about microsporogenesis and pollen grains. Okay, see, we know that in male plant, male flower, or in flower having both gametes, male gametes as well as female gametes, or you can say that in a flower both male and female parts are present. Such flower are called as bisexual flower. Okay, means male part is pollen grain, male gamete is pollen grain, and the female gamete is ovule. Okay, female gametophyte, you can say female gametophyte, and the male gamete is male gametophyte. Okay, the male gametophyte is actually small in size and the female gametophyte is larger in size. Due to this reason, the microsporogenesis is word specially for the production of male gametes. Okay, microsporogenesis is the word mainly for the production of male gamete, and megasporogenesis is the word for the female gametophyte, production of female gametophyte. Okay, now normally what happen in microsporogenesis, or during the production of microspore, or you can say the pollen grain, we know that the meiosis takes place. Meiosis is a type of cell division in which one cell give rise four cell. Okay, and mitosis is a cell division in which one cell give rise to two cell. Okay, what happen during the microsporogenesis, microspore mother cell is present within the anther, because we know that stamen is a male part, and the stamen having two part, again subdivided into two part, one is anther, one is filament. Inside the anther, microspore mother cell is present. This microspore mother cells undergo meiosis and produce four cell. Okay, then the microspore mother cells undergo meiosis and producing four cell. Okay, four cell. These four cells are haploid in nature. Haploid means having half number of chromosome. Okay, then the four cells, in such a way each microspore mother cells give rise to four pollen grains, because microspore mother cells first give microspore, then microspore differentiate and mature into the pollen grains. Okay, now in this way the single microspore mother cells produce four pollen grains. Okay, now structure of pollen grain. A pollen grain represents the male gametophyte, as I already discussed with you. Size, shape, color, design, different species, means they vary according to species to species. Fossils, because of the presence of sporopollenin. Yes, the pollen grains can be preserved as a fossil for long years, for many years. Why? Because we know that pollen grains having a layer which is made up of sporopollenin. Pollen grains having two layers, outer layer is called as exine and inner layer is called as entine. Due to the presence of exine having a sporopollenin, a substance which not undergoes any degradation by any enzyme. Okay, so due to this reason, the pollen grains can be considered as a fossils, can be preserved for a long time. Cryopreservation means storing the pollen grains at very low temperature, that is minus 196 degrees Celsius. Okay, pollen foods nutrition value. Pollen grains having nutrition value. Pollen grain can be used as a nutritional supplement. Okay, but due to some pollens there is also a chance of inflammation or allergy. Okay, for example asthma, bronchitis, parathenium. Okay, viability of pollen grains. Normally the pollen grains can survive up to 30 minutes after their dispersal. Okay, जब वो बनते हैं, जब वो रिलीज होते हैं, उनके रिलीज होने के बाद 30 मिनट तक वो सर्वाइव रह सकते हैं, वो विएबल हैं. विएबल मीन्स दे कैन बी fertilize, they can be form a pollen tube on the stigma and can fertilize with the ovule. But देखो, स्टोर करना, प्रिजर्व करना इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग और विएबिलिटी इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. ओके, now this is the structure of pollen grain. The pollen grains having two layers. Outer layer is called as exine, inner layer is called as entine. Exine is a very hard because of the presence of sporopollenin. Okay, but there is a reason where sporopollenin is absent. That is, the reason is known as germ pore. Okay, pollen grain wall having exine, intine. Exine is thick, hard, ornamentals. Okay, germ pole, circular. Germ pole is the region where spolar pollen is absent. Okay, now inside the pollen grains there are two type of cells. Inside the pollen grains there are two type of cell. One is vegetative cell and the second one is generative cell. ओके, वेजिटेटिव सेल इज लार्जर इन साइज. देखो पोलन ग्रेन के अंदर दो सेल्स होते हैं, एक सेल का नाम है जनरेटिव सेल और दूसरे सेल का नाम है वेजिटेटिव सेल्स. ओके, जो वेजिटेटिव सेल होता है उसका जो साइज होता है, उसका जो वॉल्यूम होता है बड़ा होता है, बिकॉज उसके पास रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल होता है. ठीक है, उसके पास रिजर्व स्टोरेज होता है फूड मटेरियल का. Okay, but in some plants the pollen grain having three cells, means one vegetative cells and there is another division takes place within the generative cell. कुछ प्लांट्स में, कुछ फ्लावर्स में पोलन ग्रेन जो शेड होते हैं वो दो सेल स्टेज में होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे भी फ्लावर्स हैं जिनके पोलन ग्रेन जो है वो थ्री सेल स्टेज में शेड होते हैं. उनका जो जनरेटिव सेल है, जनरेटिव सेल डिवाइड करके दो में फर्दर दो सेल्स बना देगा. ठीक है, तो डिवीजन टेक्स प्लेस इन जनरेटिव सेल्स. ओके, वेजिटेटिव सेल्स इज ट्यूब सेल्स. वेजिटेटिव सेल का जो मेन फंक्शन होता है, वेजिटेटिव सेल क्या करता है, ये पोलन ट्यूब बनाएगा और पोलन ट्यूब के अंदर जो उसका ट्यूब न्यूक्लियस रहेगा. ठीक है, और जनरेटिव सेल जो है दिस इज द मेन सेल जो कि फ्यूज करेगा. Okay, 60% of angiosperms pollen grains are shed at 2-cell stage and rest of the angiosperms pollen grain shed at 3-cell stage. I already discussed with you. Okay, I hope you understand all these concepts. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home.